How to get off Instacart waitlist. So all you have to do is just go to your Chrome, and once you are in your Chrome, you just have to search for instacart.com. And once you are in here, you can see the application. It would log in. It doesn't need to be logged in, but if you want it to be logged in, you can. You just have to navigate the shopper help, and you should click that, and you could see the contact. And once you have clicked that, you should get support or requests. For me, I just have to get support. As you can see, I just need to be logged in. So you just have to get support, and once you have clicked that, you are going to email them to let you get off the Instacart waitlist. And you just have to wait for 1 day or 2 days. And once it won't update, you just have to email them again and again. It depends on you, and they will make a way to make a contact with you with the email that you are using, and that's it.